Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we will focus on small talk about work. First, here is how we can start a small talk conversation about work. We can ask, "How's work going?" Or faster, "How's work going?" Or even faster, "How's work going?" There, I changed going to goin'. That is very common in English. We can also ask, "How are things at your job?" Let's do it faster. "How are things at your job?" Even faster, "How are things at your job?" There, I changed your to your. That is also very common. In that phrase, the word things means all of the different situations in that person's job. If someone asks you one of those questions, you can say many different things. If your job is going well, you can say, "Things are going great." Let's say it faster. "Things are going great." And even faster, "Things are going great." You can also say, "Things are looking up." That is an idiom, and it means that all of the situations in your job are getting better. Things are looking up. Let's say it faster. "Things are looking up." Even faster, "Things are looking up." Like that. If your job feels normal, not very good, but not very bad, we can say other things like this. No complaints. A complaint is something that we say to express our bad or negative feelings about something. So, if we say no complaints, it means that we do not have negative feelings about our job. Let's practice together. No complaints. Even faster, no complaints. You can also say, "Things are fine." Let's say it together faster. "Things are fine." Even faster, "Things are fine." Here, I changed are to Things are fine, like that. If there are problems in your job, we can say other things. But be careful. If a manager or boss asks you about your job, you should not say negative things because they might think that you are not a good worker. First, we can say, "Things are rough right now." Let's practice together. "Things are rough right now." And faster, "Things are rough right now." Here, rough means very difficult or very draining or very taxing. You can also say this, "Things have been better." This means that situations in your job were good before, but they are less good now. Let's say it again, but faster. "Things have been better." And even faster, "Things have been better." Like that. Before I end this video, I want to talk about a difficult word from the video. That word is things. That word is hard to say correctly because it starts with the sound things. Most languages do not have that sound, so many non-native English speakers mispronounce that word as tings or sings, but that is incorrect. We need to stick our tongues out a little bit like this. Things. I blow air underneath these teeth right here. Things. Things. Let's practice together. Things. 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 You will have to practice while looking at a mirror or looking at your phone in selfie mode. That way you will see if your tongue is coming out. It needs to come out. Things like that. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.